Okay, so we're now going to talk about how to add FB group to StreamYard account. So last time we set it up in our FB group. Now we are going to put our FB group in the StreamYard destination. So just click destination and add destination button. Then after that, you can choose FB group or Facebook group where you want to connect it. And then connect Facebook. After connecting Facebook, the next thing you need to do is to choose what FB group you want to link it. Okay, so choose. So yun kagabi ang inano natin yung bagong grade 7. Bagong grade 7 ng taon 2019. So we're going to use that. And then yan, nandyan na siya. So we'll know if it's already there kapag click mo ng create a broadcast. Tapos you can see that in the options. Okay, click create broadcast. And then choose. Yan, nandyan na siya. Bagong grade 7. Click that. So, pag nandyan na siya, you are now ready to create your broadcast. Okay? So, we'll have the next video.